The 2025 BMW X1 is here, and it's turning heads. It may be the smallest SUV in BMW's lineup, but don't let its compact size fool you. It's packed with luxury, tech, and performance features that make it a standout in the compact luxury SUV category. The 2025 BMW X1 has undergone some major improvements, bringing a more aggressive stance, smarter technology, and an overall more refined driving experience. This year's model is available in 3 trims: the xDrive28i, the performance-focused, M35i, and the eco-conscious xDrive28i plug-in hybrid. With the new 2025 X1, BMW has elevated the driving experience, offering versatility and a fresh look for those who crave both performance and practicality. Let's start with the pricing and trims. Understanding the price range is essential, so here's a breakdown of the 2025 BMW X1's different trims and their starting prices. xDrive28i. This is the standard version and arguably the best balance of price and performance. Starting at $41,350, the xDrive28i comes with a 2.0L turbocharged engine producing 241 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This model is perfect for anyone looking for a luxury SUV with strong performance at an entry-level price. 35i. For those of you who crave power and sportier dynamics, the M35i is the way to go. Priced at $50,800, it comes with a tuned version of the 2.0L turbocharged engine, pushing out an exhilarating 313 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This variant accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 5.2 seconds. Impressive for a compact SUV. If you want speed, agility, and performance, the M35i is definitely your ticket. Drive28i. The xDrive28i is the plug-in hybrid variant, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor for a total output of 245 horsepower. This trim is designed for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing power and driving dynamics. Pricing for the 25i is expected to be competitive, but may vary depending on the region. Each of these trims comes equipped with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring that regardless of your choice, you're getting a performance-focused, all-weather capable vehicle. Alright, let's talk about the looks. The 2025 BMW X1 definitely has the visual appeal to match its performance. With a fresh redesign for 2025, this compact SUV features a bolder and more aggressive stance than ever before. Front grille. The signature kidney grille is wider and more aggressive, giving the X1 a stronger road presence. Sculpted lines. The body features more sculpted lines, making the SUV look sleek and aerodynamic. LED headlights. BMW has integrated slimmer, more angular LED headlights that enhance the vehicle's futuristic and dynamic appeal. When it comes to color options, BMW offers several eye-catching choices to suit your personality. Alpine white, clean, crisp, and timeless. Black sapphire metallic, sleek, sophisticated, and always in style. Phytonic, blue metallic, vibrant and lively. This color makes a statement on the road. Frozen pure gray metallic, a stunning matte finish that exudes exclusivity and modernity. Mediterranean blue, a striking color perfect for those who want a unique yet bold option. And of course, the M35i comes with sportier touches, including more aggressive bumpers, unique grille accents, and optional high-performance 20-inch wheels that help it stand out even more. This is the SUV for those who like their cars to make a statement. Let's step inside the 2025 BMW X1. BMW is all about luxury, and that's evident in the cabin. Whether you're in the xDrive28i, the performance-driven M35i, or the eco-friendly xDrive28i, you're going to enjoy a cabin that's refined, spacious, and loaded with tech. BMW curved display. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster combined with a 10.7-inch central touchscreen is the centerpiece of the interior. The curved display offers a futuristic design, bringing everything you need to control in one seamless unit. It's not just stylish, it's incredibly functional, giving you quick access to navigation, vehicle settings, and media.iDrive9. System. The latest iteration of BMW's infotainment system, iDrive9, takes things up a notch. With faster processing, a more intuitive user interface, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, you won't have to worry about tangled cords or connectivity issues. Plus, it supports voice controls, making it easy to navigate through menus and features hands-free. Premium materials. BMW's interior quality is top-notch. The X1 comes with Sensitech leatherette as standard, but if you're looking for more, Vanasca leather is available. You'll also find ambient lighting that changes the mood inside the cabin, creating a serene atmosphere at night. Comfort. The cabin is designed for comfort. You'll find power-adjustable front seats, available heated seats, and even ventilated seats in the higher trims. The panoramic moonroof adds an open, airy feel, while the dual-zone climate control ensures that both driver and passengers are comfortable. Now let's get into what really matters: performance. The 2025 BMW X1 isn't just about looks and tech. It's built to perform and provide a dynamic driving experience. xDrive28i. Powered by a 2.0L turbocharged four-cylinder engine, the xDrive28i delivers 241 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. This makes for a very fun-to-drive experience. The xDrive all-wheel drive system provides exceptional grip and control, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling twisty mountain roads. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures quick shifts, and the handling is sharp and responsive. 35i. The M35i takes performance to the next level. With 313 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, it's not just fast, it's an absolute thrill. 0 to 60 mph takes just 5.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest compact SUVs in its class. The sport-tuned suspension, M Sport brakes, and adaptive suspension make the M35i a real driver's car, offering a near-perfect balance of performance and comfort. It feels planted in corners and reacts instantly to every turn of the wheel. xDrive28i. The plug-in hybrid model brings an interesting twist. With a combined power output of 245 horsepower, the xDrive28i offers enough performance to keep driving enjoyable while maintaining efficiency. You can drive up to 30 miles on electric power alone, and the transition between gas and electric is seamless. The hybrid system makes it a perfect option for city driving, with lower fuel consumption and fewer emissions. No matter the model, the BMW X1 offers sharp handling, great acceleration, and an engaging driving experience. Whether you're looking for an efficient commuter or a sporty weekend ride, the X1 lineup has you covered. When it comes to safety, BMW doesn't cut corners. The 2025 X1 comes equipped with the Active Driving Assistant as standard, which includes a suite of essential safety features: forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, helping to prevent accidents before they happen. Lane departure. Warning: keeping you safe and centered in your lane. Blind spot. Detection: alerting you when a vehicle is in your blind spot. Rear cross-traffic alert, protecting you when reversing out of parking spots. The M35i comes with additional options like adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and the surround view camera system, giving you even more peace of mind while driving. Let's talk fuel efficiency, because we know that's important too. Even though the X1 is an SUV, BMW has managed to optimize fuel economy without sacrificing performance. xDrive28i. This model offers an impressive 25 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway. M35i. Even with all that extra power, the M35i maintains respectable figures, offering 23 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. xDrive28i. The hybrid model excels when it comes to fuel efficiency. On electric power alone, you can go for up to 30 miles, and when you combine it with the gas engine, the overall fuel efficiency increases substantially. The 2025 BMW X1 offers a compelling package. Whether you're after the xDrive28i for a balanced ride, the M35i for ultimate performance, or the xDrive28i for an eco-friendly experience, the X1 has something for everyone. With a refined design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance capabilities, the 2025 X1 is a top contender in the compact luxury SUV category. If you're ready for a car that combines luxury, performance, and practicality, the 2025 BMW X1 is a must-see. So which one will you choose? The sporty M35i, the versatile xDrive28i, or the eco-friendly 25e? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching Ride and Drive Motors.